Good morning, students. I hope all of you are having a great day. Now, in continuation of our topic, we are going to start with different types of motion. So, here are the different types of motion which are given in your book. We are going to discuss all these motions one by one. Okay? Translatory, rotatory, circular, oscillatory, vibratory, periodic and non-periodic. Now, first of all, the translatory motion. But this motion is all again divided into like it's having two types. Okay, what are that two types? One is rectilinear motion and another one is curvilinear motion. There is one more type of it, that is random motion, that you don't have to do. Now, what actually a translatory motion? That is, if an object like a vehicle moves in a line in such a way that every point of the object moves through the same distance. See this figure now. See, this is a cycle. This is point A for the first tire, point B for the second tire, C for the handle and D where the person is sitting. Now this person moves. As this person moves, distance moved by this, distance moved by this. Okay. From this, that's corresponding to each other. Same distance they are moving. So that is what? Translatory motion. Okay. Now, what are the two types of translatory motion we are having? One more example is given in your book, that an apple is falling from a tree. Okay, a man is moving on a road. अब कोई भी सड़क पे चल रहा है, जैसे वो अपना पहला कदम उठाएगा, जितना डिस्टेंस उसके दूसरे पैर से होगा वैसे उसी हिसाब से वो चलेगा. So that is what a translatory motion. Okay, this is further divided into two parts. The first is rectilinear motion. Now, if we read the term rectilinear, in rectilinear the term comes here, what is line? Fine. Linear, in linear also the term comes as what? Line. So this means that a body is moving along a straight line. Lots of examples are given in your book. Car is moving. It is moving in a straight line. A ball is falling. It is moving in a straight line. On carom board, this tiger you are using, the way it is hitting the coins, that is also a straight line. So these all are what are the examples of rectilinear motion. Some more examples are there. A bullet is fired from a gun. Okay. March past by soldiers. Okay. And car running on a straight road. Now the another is what? Curvilinear. Curvilinear means following a curved path like this. We are not talking about the circular path. We are talking about the curved path. कोई भी turn लिया उसने, ऐसे turn लेके नीचे आई. Fine. Any turn it is taking, that is what a curvilinear motion. So if the motion of a body is along a curved path, that is said to be a curvilinear. Like you are taking a turn with the cycle ना, ठीक है, आप turn ले रहे हो cycle से, that is what a curvilinear motion. See, a curve is here on a road. Now car will move on this path. This is what? A curvilinear motion. First of all, you throw a stone in a straight line. That is what a linear motion. Now a ball is thrown. Like you are catching a ball. That is following a curvilinear motion. A bowler is putting the ball in front of the batsman. So that is what curved path it follows. So that is a curvilinear motion. Now the next is rotatory motion. Okay, I will give you a very simple example of rotatory and circular motion. Okay, today do one thing, do one activity. You and your sibling. See, here is your sibling and here you are. Fine. Now attach a paper on him, write sun here, and on you earth here. Now what earth will do? One earth is moving around the sun, and the another one is earth rotating at its own axis. Fine. Earth is also moving like this, na? So, Earth is moving at its own axis. That is a rotatory motion. And Earth is moving around the sun. That is a circulatory motion. That's the another motion we will do. Now, to understand the rotation, they have given you example of a spinning top. I hope all of you have played with the spinning top when you were like going to kindergarten. So that is one. किसी एक पॉइंट पे किसी एक पॉइंट के अराउंड चीज का घूमना. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट योर रोटेटरी मोशन. That's what they have written here. A body is said to be in a rotatory motion if it moves about a fixed axis. किसी एक पॉइंट के अराउंड, जैसे ये एक पॉइंट है पेंसिल. Now this pencil is moving like this. So what this pencil is doing? This pencil is rotating. Okay, and if this pencil is moving like this, this is what? A circulatory motion. So merry-go-round, wheel, spotter, see, this is the example of spinning top. इसी point के around घूमता ना about the axis. Your ceiling fan, potter wheel, the potter wheel is also moving around this one fixed point, and a spinning wheel of charkha, that is also move around a fixed point. When you are moving around one fixed axis, that is what a rotatory motion. So rotatory motion is different from translatory motion, because in rotatory motion what you are having, that the part of the body near the axis of a rotation travels a smaller distance from the distant part of the body in the same time. Circular, I have already explained you. This activity also you can do. Take a thread, tie a paper or a stone and move. Start moving it. See, this distance will never change. Okay, and it is moving in a circular path. With the help of this fixed point, it is moving around a circular path. Fine. So this moving around a circular path is what? Circular motion. The motion of a body along a circular path is called circular motion. This is also a special type of curvilinear motion in which distance of moving the object, I have already told you, from a fixed point doesn't change. Okay. So this is the example given here. The earth is moving around the sun. That is a circular path. Moon is moving around the earth. The revolution they are taking, beta, that is a circular motion. And the rotation they are taking, that is a rotatory motion. And 365 days for this circular path. 365 days for, you can say, circular. And 24 hours, approximately 24 hours for rotation. Okay. Now the next one here given, do you know? In rotatory motion, the axis of rotation passes from a fixed point in the body itself, where in circular, the axis of revolution passes through a point outside the body. अब क्या कह रहे हैं, मैंने आपको भी एक बात बताई